Yeah, babe. So I'm seeing the flag up today. So for me and for who is watching, what is the significance of the flag being up today?
Kansallinen veteraanipäivä. National War Veterans Day for
Okay.
veterans, yes.
All right.
And actually, it's kind of interesting that today, 27th of April, also, let me see, in Holland, in Netherlands, they have Koningsdag, which is the King's Day. People go out, they're wearing orange, lots of orange because orange is their color. And also they can sell whatever they want to sell.
Oh.
Like if they want to sell furniture, if they want to sell their car, they can sell it. And they don't have to worry about taxes or anything.
Okay.
That's kind of like a free market day. Plenty people outside having fun. In Finland, this day, in 1945, during the Second World War, Lapland had war and that ended. So that's a good thing.
Yeah,
Also in
for real.
1940, Heinrich Himmler in Germany, Nazi, he started the Auschwitz concentration camp. 1941, also German troops, them Nazis, they invaded to Athens. They marched there in Greece. And let's see what else. Let me see. Sierra Leone in Africa had independency, declared independent.
So all that what you're telling me about
Yeah.
is based on the fact that that flag is up.
No, darling. In Finland, it's a National Veterans Day.
Okay, all
So
right.
we, give respect to our war veterans because they once got our independency from Russia. So that's good.
Yeah.
Think about the size.
That's
Finland,
good.
very small. Russia, real big.
Okay.
Yeah, but we fought, we won, and we are independent today. And that's why we want to pay respects to the war veterans. And that's a good thing.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So we reached the car place. Oh, this mint almost choked me, I almost swallowed this mint, So what, you laughing at me or what?
Of course.
Or you laughing with me?
Both.
Both? At me and with me? Okay. Try to be funny, alright. Well, we arrived at the car place here and, well, it's on the side of the street. And there's a line, so we have to wait in the line to get our tires replaced. Alright, so this guy just went in, so I guess after him is us.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So let me just give you a little view as to where we are. Where we are or where we are. Where we are, not where we are. What is going on with me? Anyway, stay tuned and watch the progress. These are the tires on the car right now. I don't know if you could see these are the spikes. These are
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.